Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to do how to plate like a professional. We're going to do a Greek salad, and rather than just doing a big Greek salad, we're going to do one. This is kind of stuff that we do for some of these parties and whatnot, and how to make it look sort of chic and trendy, and you know what? Just having some fun with what we're doing. Basic Greek salad ingredients: we've got some cucumber, tomato, we've got a little spinach, some feta cheese. I made a little crouton out of some grilled pitas. If you can find the little mini grilled pitas, do that. If not, you can always just get the regular ones and give them a little cut. But I've got these, and I just grilled them off to give them a little mark. They're still a little bit soft, but that's perfect, just what we want them. Some olives, pepperoncinis. We're going to make up a quick Greek dressing here real quick. And I'm just going to make it real simple. We're going to do a nice little olive oil blend here. So we got some of that. Little sherry vinegar. And like I said, this is real simple, quick, because we're only going to use just a little bit. Got a little oregano, a little crushed red pepper, some salt and pepper, and we'll give it a little stir. We'll get that ready. Right, set. And we're just going to give that a little drizzle as we make this. All right, to get things ready, and again, we're just doing this. I'm going to have some fun with it. You can do them straight up, but we're going to try to make it pretty. I've got a little zester. It also has a little channel knife thing on there, but you could certainly do this with a V cutter. You can do it with a regular knife, but we're just going to make some little grooves in there. And again, all we're doing is making it pretty and have some fun. So we do that. And then we're just going to make a couple slices. Okay. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to get a couple nice slices of some red onion. Not too thick. We're just doing them sort of thin. And same thing. We're going to slice some tomatoes. Got nice little round, pretty tomatoes. We'll just do a couple nice slices. Get all our mise en place ready, so to speak. And then the feta cheese, and we're just going to do a nice little slice on that. Maybe square it off a little bit, because that's just where we're at. All right, I think we're ready. So we've got a little plate, and we're going to put a couple little leaves down. And again, the whole point of this is just to make it pretty. Maybe have it stick out a little bit so you're building it up. And again, we'll just keep adding to it. And we'll do a little tomato, a little cucumber, a little red onion. Little tomato, cucumber, red onion. Maybe a little more spinach in there too. And we don't need all the little stems, but get those on there. And let's see, how about we're going to give that a little dress. Some of our dressing, we'll just drizzle a little bit right on top. Let that run down there. Top that with a little piece of the feta, and that sits up on there just real nice. We've got some of the Kalamata olives, and if you've got them with the pits, go ahead and take the pits out. Nobody really wants to eat those. And you can just pop them out. Maybe a little pepperoncini, because you got to have the pepperoncini with the Greek salad. Top it with a little drizzle of some olive oil. And a little sprinkle of pepper just for some color on the plate. And there you have it. Individual Greek salad. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy that. How to plate like a professional. Enjoy.